Film editing is described as the technical part of the post-production process of filmmaking. This term is derived from the traditional process of working with film, which increasingly involves the use of general technology. The editing process is a long and time-consuming one, but it ultimately is what brings the film together in the end. In the movie 2001: A Space Odyssey, co-written and directed by Stanley Kubrick, the use of editing is relied on heavily. In one of the scenes in the movie, you see apes in a cave watching the sunrise. The clip is very drawn out and looks kind of glitchy, which makes the audience question if this was edited this way on purpose. The scene opens up being dark at the beginning and with little function between the animals. However, it ends with a fully lit shot of the apes functioning similar to a human by slamming an animal bone against the rest of the bones, breaking them. While the ape does that, the scene flashes multiple times to that animal when it was alive being hunted and then falling to the ground. This indicates the process of evolution. Another scene similar to this one that indicates the evolution of humans is the Moon Bay sequence. Both of these scenes also rely heavily on music as well as editing to get their point across. In the beginning, there is no music, and it grows more and more, adding suspense towards the end. The opening scene of a movie is what draws the audience in and can sometimes make or break the movie. In The Space Odyssey, the opening scene is very creepy at first. The shot of the barely visible moon appearing in front of the Earth while the sun rises over it and takes up the shot. The sun's barely visible but is seen peering over the Earth in the background. A song and poem is being read during this time about the evolution from ape to man and finally from man to Superman. Jim Emerson from the journal Opening Shots says, "Already Kubrick is telling us exactly what will happen in the next couple of hours just from the music." The opening scene sets up a tone for the rest of the movie. Another great scene that I jotted down showing off Kubrick's intense editing style was of the astronauts shooting the reverse scene. The scene is just of their lips talking, but the audience cannot hear what they're saying due to the loud noise playing over them. This makes for a very intense scene, and the audience is left wondering what the two men are discussing. Editing is a crucial part to every movie. In fact, without it, a movie wouldn't even be possible. Kubrick uses different editing styles to make each of his movies unique but still clear, such as his other movies like Dr. Strangelove and The Shining. With the combination of shots and music, 2001: A Space Odyssey became a hit.